Improving in every video. Yeah, I would like to say that I feel that I'm improving in every video. When I look back at my earlier videos, there wasn't much attention put into the thumbnail or the lighting and everything, and now I do pay attention to the thumbnail and the lighting that I have for when I'm making videos, the audio quality and the video quality of it, and I put a lot of work into the video editing, and I actually spend more time, many times, editing videos than I do actually working on a drawing or recording a video. And it's it's a lot of work, and it's a lot of commitment, and you've got to do it every day and keep trying and not give up. And so with that, I think that I'm improving, and I like to think that I'm improving, and I feel that I have. I've gained some subscribers and some good feedback and comments on my videos about how I should improve my videos and the audio quality and how I should improve the video quality. And so I started this channel about, I would say it was, I really got into this channel and putting videos up at a consistent time, every day or every other day at least, back in about, I'd say November. So it's been not even it's about 6 months now that I've been uploading videos almost on a daily basis, and I feel that I have improved quite a bit. And I look back at my last videos, there was not really that good of a thumbnail, the audio wasn't good, the video wasn't very good, and this is before I had my DSLR, and I was using a webcam. And my really old videos, my first 5, I was using an old Logitech webcam, and I had that webcam since about 2010, I would say. And so the webcam was about 8 or 9 years old at least, and so the video quality of it recorded at 720, but it didn't really look like 720 pixels. And so I had gotten a better webcam that upgraded to a Logitech C922, and that one was way better. But I wanted something that I could take with me in different areas depending on where I'm drawing, or if I need to take a photo for a thumbnail. And so I use a DSLR for that, and it makes really good video quality, really high quality compared to the webcam. And I didn't feel it was absolutely necessary, but for me personally, I felt that it was, because of what I'm pursuing and what I'm trying to do, because I wanted to bring quality content to my subscribers and anybody watching these videos. And so I think that I'm improving quite a bit, and I just want to thank everybody that's here with me on the journey that I'm doing this, and I hope to continue improving and doing the best that I can, and making the best video that I can that's informative and can help not only myself but other people that are watching it to improve in their style of artwork and figure out what it is they like to draw and how they like to do things. And so I just want to thank everybody for that, and thank you for sticking around and watching my videos. Have a good day.